For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest.
Pagdating dun sa then you smile over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. Nagkaroon ka ng konting yung I pull you close. Kailangan yung I pull you closer. Closer. Kailangan mas buuin mo pa yon. Pero dun sa verse 1 natin, yung performance mo there, which is good. But, yun nga, pagdating mo dito sa, instead na ganito yung mangyayari, I pull you closer to my chest. Dapat ganun eh. Dapat ganun yung tightness eh. Medyo nagkaroon ka ng konting,
I pulled you closer to
yan.
my chest.
Medyo nagkaroon ng ano, ginawa mo kasi, I pull you closer. Mas maganda kung ang gagawin mo, bubuuin mo yung I pull you closer to my chest. Mas buo siya, hindi siya I pull you close. Parang kasi naggaralgal siya ng konti, which is in my ears, parang feeling ko, parang ang dating, kung ako yung listener, ako yung viewers mo, parang oops, parang pipiyok siya sa part na yun ah. So ngayon, yun yung kailangan mong baguhin. So kung itutuloy natin,
I think that you should
okay.
get some rest.
Ito. Pagdating sa, and you asked me to stay over, and I said I already told you. Yung I think mo, nanginig yun, nag-shake. Gumanan, that you should get some rest. Kailangan, mas ready ka dun sa, and you asked me to stay over, and I said I already told you. I think you should. Kailangan yung pagbuga mo dun. I think you should get some rest. Para mas ready ka, mas firm yung boses mo, kailangan ready yung iyong diaphragm. Ready yung tightness talaga. Kailangan yung paghinga mo, bawat may mga part or may mga blank space ka na pwede kang huminga, magpondo ka ng hangin. Hinga ka from diaphragm, pondo ng hangin, and pagdating doon, I think you should get some rest. Okay?
I knew I love you then, but you'd never know.
Dating dun sa I knew I love you then, kailangan okay yung pag-ipit mo, I knew, pero kailangan mas malinaw yung sounds mo ha, kasi ang nangyayari, kulang sa kulang sa tightness and kulang sa buga. Ang dinig ko parang nahihirapan ka sa chorus.
Should I let go?
Yes. Yes.
I should let go.
Yes. I knew I love you then. You never know. Firm talaga na ganon. Cause I played it cool when I was scared to let it go. And kailangan bago pumasok yung chorus, nakapag huminga ka ng sapat and meron kang pondo sa diaphragm. I knew I love you then. Pero not too much. Kapag sobra naman, mahirapan ka naman mag-flow ng hangin. Tamang hinga lang, basta yung yung muscle inside your chest and diaphragm, ready siya. Ready siyang mag-tight. Dating dito, just say you. Kailangan malalim yung paghinga. Just say you won't let go. And kailangan control your galaw because kasi kapag hindi ka ready, naka lang just say you won't let, may tendency sasabit na kailangan just say you won't let go. And wag too much, eto, pwede mong laksan yung just say you, pagdating sa won't let go. Medyo tayo doon, dynamic side ng pahina. Para, kasi kapag nilaksan mo ng too much, just say you won't let go, pwede kang manginig eh. Kasi ubos yung hangin mo agad. Kaya kailangan, yung warm up natin, kailangan laging ginagawa yung kasi yung oxygen mo yan sir eh. Pagka medyo nafe-feel mo nang hinihingal ka na, luluwag, maglulusen ka. Pag loosen mo, doon yung tightness ng diaphragm, yung tightness na sa muscle natin. Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, it's too hard to teach the muscle inside in your body, but nate-therapy. Kailangan kasi sanay na sanay tayo. Kagaya sa mga nagwo-workout, right? Pag nagwo-workout sila, ilang repetition ng pagbuhat, pagdating sa pinakalas, nanginginig na. Nanginginig, pero pag hindi mo tinibayan, bang, wala. 'Di ba? Hindi mo makukuha yung last. Kailangan talagang full force. I knew I love you then. Para kang umiire, umuutong ka, oh. You never know. So I wrote this song for you. Now everybody knows. Ba, ano, circle mouth pa rin. Ba, yung push ko. Ha! Kaya lagi ko sinasabi, if you can shout, you can belt. Lalagyan mo ng tono yung shout mo, but not shouting from your throat. Hi! Hi! Not like that. Kasi rock yan. Rocker ka na yan. Hi! This is song for the broken hearted. Rock yan from throat. Pero kung gusto mo ng pop sound, now everybody, ito, close yun, ha? Ha! May kasamang, ha! Diaphragm. Now everybody. Kung titingnan mo, ang tigas niya, no? Matigas. Ba! Ngayon, dynamics ng air. And just say you won't let go. Parang yan, ever shown. Yan. So, lower larynx sa yun yun. From here, aangat yan eh. Aangat yan from the back of your head. And, hindi ganyan.